In the quiet village of Windmere, there lived an old clockmaker named Elias. His tiny workshop sat at the edge of the town square, its windows filled with clocks of every size and design. Each piece was a masterpiece, ticking in perfect harmony, yet Elias never smiled. The villagers often whispered about his sadness, but no one truly knew why. One stormy night, as rain lashed against the windows, a young girl named Clara entered Elias's shop. She carried a small, broken pocket watch wrapped in a handkerchief. "My mother's watch," Clara said, her voice trembling. "She always said it was special, but it stopped working after she passed." "Can you fix it?" Elias took the watch gently, examining its intricate gears. Something about the watch felt unusual. It emitted a faint, warm glow. He nodded, promising to have it repaired by morning. As Elias worked through the night, he discovered a hidden compartment within the watch. Inside was a tiny, golden key no larger than a thumbnail. Inscribed on the key were the words, "Time unlocks all." Curious, Elias set the key aside and continued his work, his mind spinning with questions. At dawn, Clara returned to find the watch ticking perfectly. When Elias handed it back, the warm glow grew brighter. Suddenly, the watch projected a shimmering portal in the middle of the workshop. Clara gasped, and Elias stepped back in shock. "Do you see that?" Clara whispered. Elias nodded. "It seems your mother's watch holds more secrets than we imagined." Against his better judgment, Elias and Clara stepped through the portal. They emerged in a breathtaking world of floating islands, each connected by shimmering bridges of light. Enormous clock towers dotted the horizon, their hands spinning in all directions. Time itself seemed alive here, flowing like a river and twisting like a breeze. A figure approached a regal woman with silver hair and a gown adorned with spinning clock hands. "Welcome to the realm of time," she said. "I am Serafina, the keeper of moments. This realm safeguards the memories and futures of every being in existence." Clara clutched the watch. "Why did my mother have this? Why is this happening now?" Serafina's expression softened. "Your mother was a guardian, a protector of time. This watch was her legacy, passed to you. But the balance of time has been disrupted. A rogue spirit, known as Malak, seeks to freeze time and halt all progress. Only a true guardian can stop him." Elias hesitated. "I'm just a clockmaker. I fix things, but this is beyond me." Serafina placed a hand on his shoulder. "You've spent your life mending timepieces, Elias. Now you must help mend time itself." Clara stepped forward. "We'll do it, together." Armed with the golden key and guided by Serafina, Elias and Clara ventured deeper into the realm of time. They navigated shifting landscapes, solved puzzles within ancient clock towers, and evaded Malak's shadowy minions. Along the way, Elias discovered that each clock tower held a fragment of his own past, a life he had forgotten, a family he had once loved and lost. In the final confrontation, Malak appeared as a towering figure of shadow and ice. Time froze around him, and he mocked their efforts. But Clara, holding the watch, unlocked its true power, a brilliant light that filled the realm. "Time isn't just about moments," Clara said. "It's about connections. The love we share and the memories we create." The light shattered Malak's hold on the realm, restoring balance. The clocks resumed their harmonious ticking, and the bridges of light glowed brighter than ever. As the portal reopened to their world, Serafina bid them farewell. "You've saved more than time, you've saved hope." Back in the workshop, the watch no longer glowed, but its hands ticked with a steady rhythm. Elias smiled for the first time in years, the weight of his sorrow lifted. Clara placed the watch in her pocket, knowing it was a symbol of courage and connection. From that day on, the clocks in Elias's shop seemed to tick with a little more joy, their harmony echoing the enduring power of time and love.